Come vibe with me. Come laugh with me. Subscribe to Jaylanas. Subscribe to Jaylanas, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be finally showing you guys my banana bread recipe. This video was requested by 2 of my subscribers, the Caribbean Cookery and Shanika Allen. So a big shout out to you both, the Caribbean Cookery and Shanika Allen. Thank you so much for requesting this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Give it a try. Of course you can make it your own. I love my banana bread sweet. I know there are people that put like oats and all kind of healthy stuff in it. I'm not that girl. I'm not that girl. I'm the sweet girl. I'm the sweet tooth girl. Right, if you guys would like to see more, then just keep on watching. So the ingredients I use, you could use 2 to 3 very ripe bananas, like overripe, but this is what I have and this is what I'm using because I'm feeling for banana bread. This is just normal ripe, but the riper the better. Butter, Reuben butter is my favorite butter. Baking soda, salt, sugar. This is where I store my sugar. Just 1 egg, vanilla essence, of course flour, cinnamon, and chocolate chips, y'all. This is like the star. Oh, I love chocolate chips. Alright, so first you want to preheat your oven, right? I don't know about degrees and all that. I just preheat it. Right, so then you want to butter your pan. And then I like to line mine with parchment paper and butter that as well. So let me know. I can't wait. I can't wait. No, I can't wait. Alright, so in a bowl I'm going to mash the 2 bananas. So you could use a fork or whatever. I use my potato masher. Oh my god, I actually did a video while I was smashing bananas. It's a Zerima blessing. Like if anybody saw that TikTok and was wondering what I was doing, I was mashing bananas for my banana bread at that moment. So I normally mash it so it's like this smooth. You really just want to get like a smooth texture. Yeah, and then I'm gonna melt a 1/3 cup of butter, right? About around a 1/3 cup of butter, and pour it into the banana mixture. Right, so that's like a 1/3 there, and then I just pour it into the mixture. It is so hard to hold the camera and do this. I don't have a tripod. Right, so now I'm just adding a teaspoon of baking soda. Right. And just like a pinch of salt. Right, and then I mix it really good. Alright, so now for the sugar. So I use a whole cup of sugar. Typically you can probably use 3/4 cup. If you want it less sweet, you could use 1/2 cup. I use a whole cup of sugar. Whole cup of sugar. So normally I would stir while I pour, but I'm holding the phone. Stir it all in, kind of like fold it in. My sinus is acting up so bad, so while I'm doing this video, I'm just like in an irritated mood. Alright, so now I'm adding in the egg, stirring that in.
Hey, check this out. I gave you 10 a week ago. You told me that you got me.
Now the vanilla essence.
You ain't been picking up. You finding escapes. I might have to white you out just like you Colgate. You've been ducking at the
Some cinnamon. I'm just gonna pour everything that's in this pack because it's just a little bit left in the pack, so I just use an oil.
to a big old frown. Cause evidently you don't wanna send a message now. And you holding to my money like you Oscar proud. I'ma find you, and I'ma get you. I'ma stick into your head just like I'm Cantu. It's a couple things in life I'll make amends to, but owing me some money, hell no, this a no can do.
Alright, so now like 1.5 cups of flour. You could probably sift it if you want. I ain't going through all that, but you can for sure. Alright, so my favorite part is adding in the chocolate chips. So I add in like a generous amount. And then I just stir that in. Now it's time to transfer it into the baking pan. And then I add the remaining chocolate chips on top, and then I put it in the oven for 30 minutes at first. So I just came out of the shower and look what I came out. Look what greeted me. Thank you, Jada, thank you so much. Thank you so much for leaving your coloring book and coloring the floor. When you get older and you're seeing this video, I just want to tell you thank you. Thank you so much, Jada. Thank you. So now we do the knife test to see if it's good. Alright. Nope, not ready yet. Look at that! I see it. Yes. So 35 minutes later, it is ready. I just did the knife test again. So I'll be honest, normally we will dive in like one time. See? Yeah. Normally we dive in like one time. But and however, this is where I chopped it with the knife. But I'll leave it to cool so I could transfer it out of this and put it onto a plate so I could have a nice thumbnail. Why I put the parchment paper, look, nothing is stuck to the pan, nothing. It's amazing. Alright guys, I was able to transfer it even though it's still hot because Jaydan is ready. I am ready. We're all ready. I'm so hungry. Oh! 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 You like it?
Jay, right up, right up. And I want the next piece, please.
It really tastes good. I like.
Okay.
That's chocolate, isn't it?
Yeah.
You could be a baker.
Let me not push it. Alright guys, and that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Try the recipe if you want. Or if you're passing by me, I'll probably make. It don't last long though. Like I'll now make it. Let me show you the way it reaches. This is unacceptable. I don't like to share. Just look where it reached. Hey guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Subscribe to Jaylanas. Subscribe.